So at Vertical, one of our core strategies is to partner with some of the world's leading and most respected airlines to bring eVTOL to reality. American Airlines is the largest, probably the most recognizable airline in the world, and we're delighted to be working with them to bring eVTOL to life in North America. We're already working with them, looking at ways to develop new infrastructure, new passenger offerings, and integrate eVTOL into their existing networks and routes. Virgin Atlantic is one of the world's most respected, most innovative airlines, and we're delighted to be working with them to bring eVTOL to life in the UK and beyond. Avalon is the world's second largest aircraft leasing company, and we've been working with them right from the start in a close partnership, accessing not only their outstanding outreach and relationships with some of the world's leading airlines, but also their expertise in helping us to develop a platform to allow these new aircraft eVTOLs to be financed just the same way as conventional airliners. In the early days of eVTOL, we think that the airport to city center route is going to be really important. Connecting passengers is going to be a really valuable service for eVTOLs to carry out. It makes sense for us to be partnering with the airlines that are bringing those passengers to the airports. Being able to travel at 200 miles an hour, 0 local emissions, and 100th the noise of a helicopter means that we're going to be able to connect airports and city centers all over the world through eVTOL.